Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing the brand new jigsaw puzzle, also known as the Tipsy Tower. So let me show you all. This is the tower. It's all like, ignore that. Let me get that thing over here. But yeah, we have to create this all into a tower, which might be pretty hard. But y'all trust me when I say trust me. So you better trust me. Let's get into it. I'll place the camera right here so y'all can watch me place it. Okay, let's just speed run this. I'm gonna try to speed run this. So like and subscribe if I will be able to do it. I personally think I will be able to do it, but it's just super duper hard. I pulled up my sleeves for some work and then I left them that way, so sorry about that. Let's make these towers quickly. I'm a pro at jigsaw puzzles. Yesterday I beat my father in it. He was trying to take out a piece, but he lost, and that's my first time winning against my father, because that's pretty hard actually. But let me just do this quick. E-A-I-E-A-E-A-O. E-A-I-E-A-E-A. Eat it up. Today's Saturday. Oh, a Salish Matter, a Jordan Matter video will come out. Personally, I think Salish is a diva. My biggest dream will be to do a YouTube collab with her, but I'm too small, unfortunately, and she will never even see this flipping video. I'm too small as a content creator. I'm not even a content creator in this type, but yeah, that's not great. I will never be able to see it. Plus, she's all the way in the US and I'm all the way in India, so there's no chance she's gonna be doing that. It already uploaded. I'm pretty excited. I'll just see it later. But she must be living the greatest life of her life, I guess. Yeah, she's so lucky. I've seen the jealousy edits of her, like they're like, oh, you've been so cool, those edits, and I've seen them on Snapchat. But personally, we don't know about her real life or something, but pretty sure that's not her life is on the camera. She's just smiling and has the perfect life she ever has, but that camera, we don't know what's going on in her life, so we shouldn't be able to make those jealousy edits. So my tower is almost done, only a few more blocks to go. That's taking me like, what do you mean? That took me 4 minutes? That took me that long? That took that. And done. That took me like 4 and 5 seconds. So let's go do this. No. Wait, what should we take out? I got this. Oh, it's so ready to fall down. No, don't fall down. Let's do let's do this side. Let's take out this one. I was so close to falling. So done and now let's take this. Let's take out that. Let's take up these two. Guys, why am I low key a pro? got this. I'm not sure if I should. No way, I can't do that. Wait, I'm in danger. Wait, it's sour. It did fall. I'm surprised it did fall. Oh, that came out pretty quick. I lost. No, I lost. I lost. It just fell down like nothing ever happened. I keep some on that camera. I opened this much. I got this much, but in the end, it all fell. And now, one subscribe for me to get this all back in this box. And I have to place it one by one in this freaking structure tower. So, wish me luck. Goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe, or I'll be tickling your toes tonight. Wait, I'm hurt. A warning, it's blood, so if you're allergic to like blood, don't. Look at that. I just got hurt. And this was like bleeding, and it was all puffy like this. It was puffy this much, but now it's kind of fixed. So yeah, see you all in my next vlog, video, edit, or something. So goodbye, guys.